Hi everyone, my name is Sharanya from Srinivas Institute of Technology, first year CST. My startup company name is Techno. Product present name is Journey Watcher. Product proposed name is Tracker. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirements and feeling about the product has said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one, it should be small to carry. Second one, we should be able to place it anywhere either in clip, bag, etc. Define, based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name tracker, futuristic product name Journey Watcher. Ideate. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. First one, it should contain backup. Second one, charging and battery system. Third one, it should track place as well as time. Fourth one is it should be very small that can take anywhere. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to the time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you everyone.